Hi dear friends, dear students, welcome to Gallant IAS. I'm Justin. Now just 3 months left for the prelims examination and you will have to crack prelims this year at any cost. Yeah, here in this video, I will give you the perfect solution which is applied by the toppers for the past years to crack prelims in 90 days or 100 days. To begin with, let's start with a quote. Some great person said, the greatest pleasure in somebody's life is doing what people say you cannot do. Yes, in the civil service preparation journey, many might have told you, maybe your cousins, your friends, your neighbors, your roommates, your batchmates, that you can't clear this exam. Better is to go for some other options, PSC or bank exams or anything else. Just don't care. People or the society is always like that. I would say if you are very much passionate about this dream, civil service dream, and you have the courage to pursue it, you have that consistency, you have that perseverance, your confidence, all these things to chase your dream, the civil service dream, definitely you will achieve it. Okay? Never listen to the negative people or the negative vibes, negative thoughts, whatever. Just focus on your dream. Now here, the golden rules or the strategy to clear this in 90 days or 100 days. Yeah, first thing is syllabus. If you really wish to clear this examination in the shortest span of time, these 6 things must be very clear to you. First thing is syllabus. You should know what is the syllabus of this examination, prelims examination. 2 papers are there, they are objective papers. So what is the content of paper 1, content of paper 2? Okay, be very thorough with the syllabus. What is the syllabus? What all things are given in the syllabus? Okay, what must be studied, what must be prepared, what should not be prepared. Some people will say to clear this exam, one should study everything under the sky. That is just a myth, that is falsehood only. Focus on the syllabus, that will give you an exact picture what you have to study here, what you are not supposed to study here. So first thing is, understand the syllabus. Second is practice the previous year's questions, okay, or collect the previous year's questions asked in the asked from 2011 to 2021. You should have that collection of the previous year's questions, because the previous year's questions will help you how to approach each module, each subject, how to approach money and banking, how to approach monsoons or cyclones, how to approach this Mauryan Empire, or how to approach your atmospheric pressure, how to approach this biosphere. You see, how to approach each modules in each subject, or where to focus, or where to prioritize, where not to prioritize, and why to study a particular portion or a particular topic concept. In order to answer or in order to understand all this, you should have previous year's questions. Yes, you should practice previous year's questions. You have to read previous year's questions. You have to while reading the previous year's questions, yes, you will understand where to focus, where not to focus. And you already studied the basics, at least you covered the syllabus. Now here, the resources or the sources you have, I would say the sources you should use in such a way to crack this examination, not for backup. Okay, see, if you broaden the list of your sources or resources, then you will end up with nothing. Best thing is always limit your sources, limit your resources, whatever. Then you do multiple rounds of revision for each. If you take 100 books for a single subject, things will not be possible for you to finish and crack this exam in limited days. So limit the resources, limit the sources, and you do multiple rounds of revisions for each subject. That is the best solution. Revision, the part and parcel of your preparation is, once you understood the things, once you learned the things, next important thing is revision. You have to do multiple rounds of revisions for history, economy, geography, polity, environmental science, science and tech, and current affairs. Revision matters a lot. In this shortest span, 90 days or 100 days, You should do 4 to 5 rounds of revision for each subject. That matters a lot. Then most important thing is mock test every day. It is not weekly or monthly. I would say every day you must practice mock test, the full length test or the 50 question wise test, any test in a time bound manner. You would set your timer, then take the test. Okay, UPC standard mock test you have to practice, because after every mock test you will get an opportunity for a self evaluation. How many you made right, how many you made wrong, whether you are able to reduce your negative marking or not, whether your guesswork it is okay or not, whether you are able to finish this much number of questions in a particular time limit. In order to understand this, in order to understand your competition, yes, your competition level, you have to do that mock test on regular basis. Then time management, that is also one of the main concern, or one of the main areas you have to focus. You studied a lot, you practiced a lot, but if you are not able to finish 80 plus questions in 2 hours or 120 minutes, then your effort gonna waste. Okay, please take care that every test, every year UPSC asks 100 questions in your paper 1, in CSAT 80 questions. All the 100 questions or these 80 questions are fresh questions only. Okay, very rarely the repeated questions are there. But when you attempt those questions, it is necessary. Maybe 25 to 30 questions straightforward you can answer from what you learned. But many questions are there where you have to apply your educated guess. Without losing your presence of mind, you have to attempt them, and that has to be in a time-bound manner. When you apply your logical guess, you have to apply logical guess with basic accuracy. So all these things possible, and all these things must be done in a time-bound manner, for which practice matters a lot. So please take care of these aspects: understanding the syllabus and preparing according to demand of the syllabus, analyzing the previous year's questions, limiting your sources and resources, revising multiple times, and practicing mock test on regular basis, and taking test in a time-bound manner. All these things matters a lot. Now here I would say you can go for like this. You set your days for subject wise revision preparation. History, I would say history can be, there is breakdown of history. Ancient India set for 4 days, medieval India set for 4 days, art and culture set for 4 days, modern India for 10 days. That way you can finish your history. Economy you can take 10 to 12 days, geography 8 days, polity 10 days, environment 7 days, science and tech 4 days. Science and tech mostly current affair oriented questions. Current affairs 8 days, because subject related current affairs we will cover along with the subjects. So current affairs totality 8 days, CSAT 8 days, then final revision rounds, that is 30 days. This is the way you can divide your number of days and number of subjects. It is not necessary, it is highly customizable, or it is highly subjective. Then daily plan also, it's like 10 to 12 hours you can spend productively every day. You cover any 3 core subjects every day, 2 hours for each core subject, any 3 core subjects every day. Then of course you have to practice current affairs 2 hours every day. Then CSAT 1.5 hours or 2 hours every day, depending upon your level in CSAT. Okay. Then test also every day. I would say you should do mock test. Okay. So this is a plan I suggest you as per the topper strategy or toppers method. So this plan is highly subjective. You can plan according to your schedule and all, your this day's schedule and all. No need to alter it. If you find it productive, just stick on to your schedule for the next 90-100 days and stick on to it and practice very well. Okay, with the consistency, without fail, do it very well. Make sure once you finish all subjects, there should be number of revisions, plenty of revisions and practices, without losing your confidence. After every test, maybe after every test your score is low, 40, 50, doesn't matter, try to improve. Do a self-evaluation, self-assessment, and try to improve yourself. Try to reduce negative marking. Okay. These things I would like to share in this video. Wishing all the very best, and if you wish to talk to our mentors, faculties, we are very happy to support you in any subjects or in any areas of your preparation. All the best, and please do subscribe our channel for more quality videos. Gallant IAS will be coming up with more series for your upcoming prelims preparation. So stay tuned, and thank you.